bezwi, abanye belusi, abanye bapostoli, abanye bavangeli. Uyesu wena. Then the Spirit of God he edifies the church, he ushers the church. Uba ikhonza uNkulunkulu ngendlela uThixo that glorify you Christ. When the flesh overtakes the move of God, uyasuka uMoya. When the gifts replace the move of God, uyasuka ithuba basala abantu bengqona. Xa bengqola baphuma babuyele esitweni sabo. But when the Spirit of God is given, ixesha uMoya shape, uMoya forge the nature of Christ in us. Kuphuma abantu baphuma beyankuma beyafasa 21 days. UMoya bekhona ukusuka isimilo sikaKristu. Badla linyazwa ukuba ke uMoya linyazwa ukuba they replace his move ngama-talents and gifts. Nebaqabane noNkulunkulu. Lithi uNkulunkulu anishinodwa. Baninzi abantu abaoccupy the city of God. Bayathetha ngemilomo banesimo sokumesaba, but ngamandla bayakhanyela. They don't depend on the leadership of the Holy Spirit. They always depend ekuthetheni nasekwazini kwabo. Kukhona amaxesha apho ibandla kungamenanga kufunde namavesi, kungathoba worship isawu-10, but bahlala abantu babubule. Ilizwi kaNkulunkulu, the creation is waiting and groaning. It needed the manifestation of the sons of God. Bazalana